Ooh, what's in the map? What do we have here? We have cook bakeries. We have what's in the map? Where are we gonna go? Oh, with this big jumbo capsule bag. I know. Let's see on the map. Wait a minute. My favorite. We're going camping. Yeah, that's perfect. That's really perfect. Yeah, it's better for this bag. Yeah, we're gonna go camping. Let's go. Here we are. Yeah, here we are. And we're out to the camping. Oh, hello there. My name is Cozy Girl, and I am the owner of LOL Surprise Camping. And ooh, that's cool. Wow, I love your boots and jacket. No, this is not my jacket. This is my camp shirt. And I only earned 0 badges. Oh, okay. Hey. Ooh, what's that over there? That is the ice pops. Can we go ice pop, please? Sure. Yay! Hey there. Oh, hey there. You're finally here. Wow. Oh, you look so delightful. Thank you. Thank you so much. Can I get the watermelon and the orange? So cool. It's so cool. Ooh, what's that over there? That is the camp house. Let's go there with our ice creams. Wait for me. Let me knock at the door and let's see if anybody's here. Hello? Oh. Oh, hey there. Hey there, we're gonna try go camping. And we're gonna stay in this nice house. A couple of nights. Wait, did you just a nice house? Yeah, that's right. Like, you can explore around up here. That means you have a nice camping house. I wanna go inside and see. Yeah, it looks really clean and shiny. Yeah, that's cool. Let's go inside, sugar. Look at the inside. It looks awesome. Look at how amazing this is. It's so cool. Yeah, it's so cool. 5 stars. Oh, hello there. Hey there. Oh, look how yummy these fruit popsicles are. Thank you. Oh, don't forget your bags. Oh, we left it outside. Oh, how many nights are we gonna stay here? 5. Ooh, cool. Let us stay here for 5 nights. We have the map here. Where should we put the map at? Ooh, so many Hello Kitties. So you're gonna stay right here. There we go. I'm gonna put it at my award. Wait a minute. Did you just an award? Can I see? Oh, look at your award. It looks so awesome. Ooh, what's this? His trophy award. That is my ballerina competition award. I earned it. And ooh, what's this? His award. This is my meet and greet award from Royal High. Hey, from your new school. Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, yeah, he's going to stay here for 5 nights at here. Ooh, look at how jumbo this bag is. Just look at how jumbo it is. Oh, yay. Hey, that's so cool. I'm gonna go read my guide. Let's open up this book here. Bag. Come on, open. Can it open? Can it open? There we go. Here's my guide. Ooh, look at how amazing this guide is. Ooh, look at all these LOL dolls here. Ooh, they look so cool. I've got these stickers from other countries. Ooh, cool. What do we have here? We got Bling Queen, Big City Baby, 8 Us Baby, here, If Baby, the Great Baby, he Canis Cutie, he Pop Heart, Drag Racer, Candy Cutie, Countess, Triella, and Soul Baby. Ooh, cool. Yeah. Including all of these categories, we have popular, fancy, rare, ultra rare, and on my way. Ooh, what's this? His star here. This one says shine. That is the fancy. This one's Pop Heart. She is ultra rare. Her Canis Cutie is popular. Her Big City Baby is popular. Bling Queen is rare. Her Alpha Baby is popular. The Great Baby is her shine. What was that called again? Oh, fancy. Hey, Drag Racer is popular. Candy Kitty is popular. Soul Baby's fancy. Countless is fancy. Popular. And we have Thrilla. She is fancy. Countless is popular. Here, let's put my guide back. Here we go. Here's my guide, and let's put it inside of our bag. Okay. Let's keep this back on your awards statue. Yeah, that's right. Hey. Well, really need to go home now. It's now nighttime. Stay here a couple of nights. Yay, we're gonna stay here forever. Yeah, that's right. It's so cool in here. Let's keep the map in the bag. Right, open up my bag. Come on, open my bag. Open my bag. Here's my bag. Let's keep the map inside. Kind of fold it up first. And here we go. Let's close it. We're gonna stay here a couple of nights. Wait. We need to put the bag somewhere. Okay. How about we should put it outside? Great idea. Now we can go rest. Let's put our popsicles in here. Then now we need to get to sleep. I need to get to sleep in the sofa. I need to get to sleep in the bed. Good night. Good night.